Today we are gonna make homemade Play-Doh. So some of the things you'll need are flour, salt, vegetable oil, cream of tartar, some measuring cups, and we will have Play-Doh. The first step is in a pot, put 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of salt, and 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and stir all of that together. Next, you're going to stir in 2 cups of warm water and 2 tablespoons of oil. Vegetable oil is what I use. You could probably use canola or coconut oil also. I also added some green food coloring if you want to make your Play-Doh a color. You could also wait until after it's cooked and make it different colors. I decided to make all of mine green today because it reminded me of spring that's here. And now what we're gonna do is turn the burner on, and we're gonna cook this over medium heat until it forms, comes together into kind of a ball. While you're cooking it over the medium heat, you're gonna want to make sure that you're stirring pretty constantly so it doesn't stick to the bottom, which you can tell is kind of hard to do one-handed. Now you see it is out of my pot and it's kind of formed a sticky ball, and I have it on wax paper. You could put it in a Ziploc or just somewhere that it's not gonna stick. And then we're gonna knead it through. You want it to cool just a little bit, and we're gonna knead it or just push it and make it smooth. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is kind of push it and knead it until it's smooth, which won't take very long. And then you can see we have homemade Play-Doh. And I'm also gonna do a video to show you guys some exercises you can do to get your hands stronger using this homemade Play-Doh. And one more thing about your Play-Doh, you just put it in a airtight Ziploc or a Tupperware, and it will store for up to 4 weeks.